Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Vanilla Frosty from Wendy's. Never had a Vanilla Frosty before. I saw they now have them back again, so I want to do a little review, see what it's all about. I love the chocolate Frosty, and I don't know if this is going to even come close to that because the chocolate Frosty is something amazing, but we'll see how this goes. Vanilla ice cream. So it looks similar to the other Frosty. It's very it's got an interesting texture. Like, it's soft serve, but it's like kind of greeny and almost liquidy in a sense. Really cool though. It's pretty good. It's got a similar taste to the chocolate one, but not the exact same. It's very vanilla in its flavor. That's pretty good. I don't know if I like it more, or I don't think I'm gonna like this as much as the chocolate one though. The chocolate one is really good. This tastes like real vanilla ice cream with the same texture of as a chocolate. It's cool. So yeah, it's pretty good. It's same texture. It's got a very similar, I'm not sure how to describe it. When you first eat it, it's got the same kind of vibe as the chocolate one, but then it tastes very strongly vanilla right after, so interesting. Yeah, I like it. It feels a little bit too bland though. Like, the chocolate's got a nice taste that's easy to eat. Vanilla, I don't even know if I'm going to finish this all because it's good, but it's really sweet. Still really good though. I'll have one more bite and I'll give my final review on this. Not sure what to rate this. So yeah, it's got a similar vibe to the chocolate Frosty, but I don't think it's as good. It's really sweet and vanilla-y, but I don't know if I even want to finish this whole tub because it's so sweet. I like vanilla ice cream, but I like that best in like an ice cream cone, I think. This is just a bit much, having just plain vanilla ice cream in a little tub like this. So I would give this Vanilla Frosty a 7 out of 10. I like the chocolate one a lot more. This is still pretty good though, and if you prefer vanilla over chocolate, you'll like this. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.